Welcome to Term Insurance Brokers. I'm Jason, and today we're going to take a look at another common health problem that is going to affect the cost of your life insurance: heart disease. Now, we all know insurance is not exactly the most exciting topic to talk about, but we're going to try to break it down a little bit and help you understand how exactly your cost gets affected when you have certain types of medical conditions. Today's topic provides important information that's going to save you a big headache when you actually go to start looking at life insurance and getting quotes and getting ready to buy coverage. So on to the main topic at hand for today's video. If you have heart disease, what info should you have ready before contacting an insurance agent for quotes? Number 1, what year did the condition first get diagnosed? If you don't know, estimate the number of years it's been since the diagnosis. Number 2, what prescriptions do you take to manage the condition? Number 3, have you ever had a heart attack? If so, how many, or was it merely discovered via blockage buildup from a diagnostic scan, such as an echocardiogram or a CT scan, to name a couple? Number 4, for the blockage, try to know the percentage blocked for the arteries involved. Number 5, have you had stents placed or had a bypass procedure done? If you had stents placed, how many were done, and did you have an angioplasty used with them? An angioplasty is the little balloon that gets inserted to open the blocked blood vessel. If you've had more than one stent placed, it's helpful if you either know the years that each were placed or over what period of time they were done. Number 6, if you had a bypass, how many vessels were involved? Number 7, now, following the completion of any major procedures, especially if you had a heart attack, have you had a follow-up stress test, EKG, completed with your doctor? What were the results? If you never had any follow-up testing completed with your doctor after having any procedure done on the heart, then there's a good chance you'll likely get postponed for coverage from insurance companies until you go get that testing done. An insurance company is not going to want to enter into an insurance policy contract with you and be on the hook for hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars if you haven't even gotten checked out again after having your heart operated on. And regardless of whether it's for an insurance policy, you should really be getting those follow-up testing procedures completed for your own health. So to recap on what you should know before calling an agent or broker for quotes: how long ago since the condition was first diagnosed? What prescriptions do you take to manage it? Have you had a heart attack, or was the heart condition discovered via some form of a diagnostic scan? Did your doctor do any surgical procedures such as a stent placement or a bypass, and how many vessels were involved? And have you had all of your follow-up testing completed, and what were the results? On a last note, before we wrap up, if you don't know all these details, it's okay. We can still work with you. The main point of this video is to have the right information up front to get the most accurate quotes for the coverage that you want to set up. We go the extra mile for our clients. If the final rate comes back higher than the initial quote, we'll reshop the case among a number of other insurance companies to find you the best rate, so you'll know whether the first company indeed offers you the best deal or another insurance company says they can beat the offer. If the latter occurs, then in short, it's basically just paperwork to move it over to the new company, and that can be done electronically for even faster service. If a medical exam was completed with the first company we applied to, then a new exam would not need to be done for the second one. The results from the first company can be used in lieu of a new exam with the second company. And that wraps everything up for today's video. If you have any questions or would like a free, no obligation quote, you can reach me at 703-665-9133. Again, 703-665-9133. You should see it at the bottom of the screen. Or you can always go to our website, terminsurancebrokers.com, and click the instant quote option if you want to run your own quotes. But always feel free to give us a call, speak with a live agent. We've also got a bunch of great memes on our Instagram page at Get Insurance Now and on Facebook at terminsurancebrokers.com. So be sure to check those out and follow our pages. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of our latest videos.